Soup time. Welcome back.
Winter warmers. So we are making a pumpkin and ginger soup. Ooh, low FODMAP, vegan, and to go with our amazing buckwheat and quinoa loaf that we've got cooking in the oven.
Yummo.
So, simple ingredients.
Talk us through.
Pumpkin. So we'll be using Jap pumpkin because that is better or lower FODMAP than butternut.
Is it really?
Yeah,
Wow.
butternut is actually a medium FODMAP. It's more related to squash.
Huh. Okay, so Jap pumpkin.
So we're using Jap pumpkin. We'll be using one standard potato, any potato that you like. We've chosen this one.
This particular one.
Carrot and a few thumbs of ginger.
Think of the wiggles. A few thumbs.
A few thumbs. It's about 50 grams there. Okay. I did weigh it because I figured that people would want to know.
Awesome.
Salt and pepper. Garlic infused oil. Some spices.
Yep.
You can play around with spices. There's really no rules in this, but today I've chosen coriander seed already ground and some cayenne to turn up the heat a little bit. And this little guy, we haven't used him before in cooking on our program, but he's a staple in our cupboard. This is Massel stock powder. Now it's vegan, so vegetable, but it is also certified low FODMAP, so there's no onion and garlic in this stock.
It's our friend. And I have to apologize. This is where I have to come in because you just mentioned our cooking show, and this is where I have to put in an apology because I did make a joke in another episode where I was sitting on the bench and I said it wasn't a real cooking show. And we all remember Lee's face. That is why we're not a real cooking show. Heartbroken.
Well,
So this is my formal apology. We are a real cooking show. The you part of this is a real cooking show. The me part of this is not a real cooking show.
Oh, I'm not a chef. Not even a cook. I just like food. I like making food, and being so restrictive in our diets, we figured there's other people out there who are also plant-based and having to follow the FODMAP diet. So we're kind of legitimate.
You are a
right?
great cook. Everything tastes so good. It's amazing. There, my formal apology on a platter.
You didn't need to apologize.
I wanted to.
I wasn't as offended as she thinks I was. My heart was broken a little. Okay, pretty simple. We're just going to chop everything up, get it on the boil, and away we go.
All right, let's chop.
All right. We're only going to use just enough water to barely cover the tops of the vegetables in the pot. We don't want too much water because it will make it a very runny soup. A couple of teaspoons of the Massel stock. Put the lid on, bring it to the boil, and then down to a simmer and let it cook for about half an hour or so.
Let's eat.
Let's eat. I've just thrown my bread straight in the bowl.
Oh, yes.
It's so good.
I keep making that noise about food. Apparently I'm hungry. I'm just going to have a bite of this first. I love this.
Oh, that's got a kick to it.
We're gonna go eat. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe if you want to see more. It's great. This is great. I never thought I'd like soup so much. Really?